How to change Snapchat username. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by moving into your application Snapchat. Make sure you are using the updated version. Enter your login credential and log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, now what you want to do is tap on your profile icon at the top left corner and then click on this gear icon at the top right corner. Head over to username right here. Tap on change username. Right here you can see it says your username can only be changed once a year. So if you really want to change, tap on continue. Remove the name first of all and then enter the new name that you want to set as your username on Snapchat. Once you have entered the new name, tap on next and then your username will be changed, but you will not be able to change it again for almost 1 year. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.